Now, Spence and Crawford might not know this, but it looks like Ennis is the one that's to be trying to get past and trying to fight each other. But now we see why Spence and Crawford would rather want to fight each other because Ennis is too much of a big of a threat in danger. So, um, see now, now. Cause we thought Spence was the top, and he still is. Spence is, but now that could be a problem. It could be Jerome Ennis is the one that could be in a pound for pound best is Jerome Ennis. But see now, Spence and Ennis, we might as well talk about these two. I mean, because they already been, people been talking about them getting in the ring and all, So I suggest Spence to stay away from Ennis and just worry about Crawford. Um, and then Spence can maybe, avoid Ennis and move up weight. I believe that's what's gonna happen. And same for Crawford, yeah, because they will be dodging Jerome Ennis, just to let everyone know that. So because I've heard people say Spence ain't scared, Spence ain't no Spence he's not interested in getting in the ring with Jerome Ennis, and we all know that. And Crawford isn't interested in neither. And it's like two of these guys, everyone waiting to see which one will get in the ring with Bruce Ennis. And it seemed like neither of them guys, Crawford or Spence or Crawford, is not interested. So now, which we all know, the bigger fight is Spence and Jerome Ennis or Crawford and Jerome Ennis. Now that the world do know that, because just because Crawford have that belt does not mean anything. It really doesn't. So if Jerome Ennis is the bigger star and is better than Terrence Crawford, well, maybe Earl Spence should be knocking at Jerome Ennis's door. I mean, I'm just kind of curious, but we know Spence and Crawford will avoid Jerome Ennis. Yes, they might move up in weight. So I'd be surprised if they did, but now that'd be a dangerous situation. I mean, I'm just so. Looks like Spence and Crawford will avoid Jerome Ennis. Yeah, we all know that. Yeah. And we thought Spence was the top dog. Yeah, he is. Well, we thought Spence was top number one, but it might have been a big confusion, big mistake somewhere. Yeah, I'm thinking that. So, now that could be a big confusion right there. Now that Jerome Ennis is out of the picture, now he confused us when it comes to that. So, now. Even if Spence got in the ring with Terrence Crawford, I'm just gonna say this: Spence has not proved anything. I'm just being honest. I mean, it's not like if Spence beat Crawford, Spence is number one now. He's the best. No. It's not that type of party. Spence might have the four belts if he defeat Terrence Crawford, but is you gonna avoid and up weight is the question. Now, I suggest Spence do that. That would be smarter. And just let Jerome Bruce Ennis worry about the other guys. But anyways, and same for Crawford. And probably a few other top weights. So, it looks like there's going to be a very big confusion somewhere. And I'm pretty sure the world do know this. Jerome Bruce Ennis is a very big threat. He's in Crawford and Spence way. Just to let them both know that. Just because they get in the ring with each other, you already know they're going to force them two to fight Jerome Boots Ennis. Exactly. So I suggest, if you don't want to make the Spence and Crawford battle, then that's okay. You don't have to and just go for another tune-up. But if you do, I'm pretty sure Jerome Ennis might be at the battle, when it is a Spence and Crawford showdown. So, I mean, I'm just, but if they're going to be is the winner going to be brave enough to say, okay, I want to fight Jerome Bruce Ennis is the question. I mean, which we all know, no, neither guy is interested in that. But, for example, but now we all know that. So, now. Now we see what's going on now when it comes to the welterweight division. There is a very big threat. Jerome Bruce Ennis could be number one, and they might just have to go and just vacate the belts and just give them all to Jerome Bruce Ennis, and just label him like that. For example, since these guys don't want to get in there with him. So, now And Spence even know the next fight is supposed to be against Spence and Bruce Ennis, and we don't even want Spence to get in there with Ennis because we know Ennis is too much of a big of a threat. So Ennis should worry about Crawford is the normal. That's what we all want is Spence and Crawford. That'll be safe on Spence. So that's pretty much what we have to say.